This is a continuous graph. It doesn't have dots. We're going to do the domain first. Remember, the domain is expensive. Domain is the x. Continuous graphs use inequalities. That are less than symbols. And then we think about the x-axis. The x-axis goes left to right. So we are going to be looking for the furthest left and the furthest right part of the graph. So by graph, I mean the curvy line that I drew on this coordinate grid. So let's zoom in here and let's look at the furthest left. This is the furthest left. I'm going to draw a line down to the x-axis. And I need to know what number this is on the x-axis. So if I count 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. The furthest left is -4. And it is an open circle, so it does not get an equal sign here. Okay, now let's find the furthest right. Here's the furthest right. Draw a line going to the x-axis, and I need to know what number this is on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a +4. Okay, this circle is a closed circle. It's filled in. That means there is actually a point here at +4, so x can equal 4. All right, next, the range. So the range is talking about the y-axis. So we start with our y and our two less than symbols. And our y-axis goes from low to high. So we are looking for the lowest part of the graph and the highest, part of the graph. All right, so let's zoom in here. If I want to find the lowest part of the graph, that would be how far down it goes, right here. So I'm going to draw a line, and it's an approximation here since I hand drew this. I'm going to draw a line to the y-axis, and I'm going to estimate that it's right here. I need to know what number that is. So here's 0, -1, -2, -3. So that is -3. And that is a closed circle. Let's put a line. Y can actually equal -3. All right, the highest. So some people might think this is the highest, but actually it goes higher. I'm going to draw a line to the y-axis, and I need to know what number that is on the y-axis. +1, +2, +3. All right. And let's look. Open circle or closed circle? It's an open circle, no line here. That is your domain and range.